In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do an opening balance journal in QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through this step by step so you can confidently bring your starting balances into QuickBooks without throwing anything out of alignment. This is especially useful when you're moving from another accounting system or starting mid-year and need your beginning balances to match your previous balance sheet. First, you'll want to create a new journal entry. In QuickBooks Online, go to the top right corner of your screen and click the plus sign labeled New. From the menu that appears, select Journal Entry. This opens the Journal Entry window, which is where we'll build your opening balances. Next, set the date of this journal. This part is important. Choose a date that is before the oldest transaction in your QuickBooks file. If you're setting up a brand new company, this is usually the date you started using QuickBooks, or the day after your prior year-end balance sheet. Setting this correctly ensures that all your historical balances line up and your reports make sense going forward. Now, let's fill in the journal lines. On the first line, select the account you want to enter the balance for, such as a bank account, a loan, or an equity account. If it's an asset account, like a checking account or accounts receivable, you'll typically enter the opening balance in the debit column. If it's a liability or an equity account, such as a credit card, loan, or owner's equity, enter the balance in the credit column. On the second line, choose the account called Opening Balance Equity. The amount here should exactly balance the entry you just made. For example, if you debited your bank account for a certain amount, you'll credit Opening Balance Equity for that same amount. This keeps your journal entry in balance and temporarily parks the difference in equity. Continue this process for each account on your previous balance sheet, entering the appropriate debit or credit for each one and offsetting it to opening balance equity. A helpful tip is to attach a copy of your prior balance sheet to this journal entry so you or your accountant can quickly see where the numbers came from. For accounts like accounts receivable, you may need a separate journal entry for each customer so you can track who owes what individually rather than just a lump sum. When you're done, double-check that your total debits equal your total credits at the bottom of the journal. Once everything balances and looks correct, click Save and Close to record the opening balance journal in QuickBooks Online.